Imagine you're working on your website, making it look great, and then you realize where you are living. Is this the product people are willing to buy? What language are they using? Is it normal for everyone to speak English? No, there are so many beautiful languages out there, you'd be ashamed not to give them attention too. So how can we fix this? What do we need more, or how to translate? I've figured this out. Interface Translator? When you type a word into Google, Yahoo, Yandex, or Bing, you'll find a lot of products that can translate. Now, when it comes to checking the translation, a local or native speaker should have a second opinion. If you bought a digital product and want to use its interface in another language, the best option depends on how the product is designed. Here's how to approach it. 1. Check if the product supports multiple languages, native option. Go into the settings or preferences of the product. Look for language, locale, or region settings. This is the cleanest option because it's officially supported and translations are likely high quality. 2. If no native language option, try browser or app translation tools. If it's a web-based product, use Google Chrome's auto-translate feature, right-click translate to your language. For desktop apps, you can use tools like Globe with Meridian's Google Translate desktop overlay, translate text on screen in real time. Globe with Meridian's Windows Translator, if you're on Windows 11. 3. If it's mobile, check OS level language overrides. Android and iOS let you set app-specific languages. On iPhone, settings app preferred language. On Android, long press the app info language.